Your internet is slow, and everyone in the house has already picked a suspect. One person blames the internet provider. One person blames the router. One person blames the game console. And somehow, someone still blames the microwave, even though nobody has used it since Tuesday. The problem is, the internet is slow can mean several different things. It could be your Wi-Fi signal. It could be your router. It could be your modem or outside connection. Or it could be the provider's network beyond your house. So before you call your provider, reboot everything 6 times, or threaten to throw the router into the yard. Do these tests in order. Test 1. Compare Wi-Fi to Ethernet. If you can, plug a computer directly into the router with an Ethernet cable. Then run a speed and ping test. Now run the same test on Wi-Fi from the problem room. If Ethernet looks good but Wi-Fi looks bad, your internet provider probably is not the main problem. The issue is likely Wi-Fi signal, interference, router placement, or too many devices fighting for airtime. That is good news. Annoying news, but good news. Test 2. Move closer to the router. Stand near the router and test again on Wi-Fi. If the speed and ping suddenly improve, your signal is the problem. Your router may be in a bad spot. Your house may be blocking the signal, or the device may be too far away. Wi-Fi is not magic. It is radio. Walls, floors, metal, mirrors, appliances, and distance all make it worse. Your router is not a wizard. It is a little plastic radio with commitment issues. Test 3. Check whether one device or every device is struggling. If only one laptop or phone is slow, the problem may be that device. It could be old Wi-Fi hardware, bad drivers, low signal, VPN software, malware, or too many apps running in the background. If every device is slow at the same time, look upstream, router, modem, or provider. Test 4. Check loaded latency. Run a test that measures ping while the connection is busy. If your idle ping is 20 milliseconds, but it jumps to 400 when someone uploads photos, your router may be building a traffic jam. That is called bufferbloat. It is the reason video calls and games can lag even when download speed looks fine. Test 5. Look at the modem or fiber box. If you use cable internet, bad signal levels can cause drops, packet loss, and random slowdowns. If you use fiber or fixed wireless, the outside connection can still have issues too. You do not have to become a network engineer overnight. Just notice patterns. Does it happen only in one room? Think Wi-Fi. Does it happen on every device, even wired? Think router, modem, or provider. Does it get worse when someone uploads or downloads? Think buffer bloat or router overload. Does it happen at the same time every night? Think congestion or busy hour load. Here is the simple decision tree. If wired is good and Wi-Fi is bad, fix Wi-Fi first. If wired and Wi-Fi are both bad, reboot the router and modem once, not 17 times. Then test again. If it is still bad on wired, collect the evidence, speed, ping, packet loss, time of day, and whether multiple devices are affected. That is when calling the provider makes sense. Not with the internet is trash, even if that feels emotionally accurate. Call with test results. Say, wired speed is low, ping is high, packet loss is happening, and it affects multiple devices. That gives support something useful to work with. The goal is not to win an argument with your router. The goal is to find where the problem starts. Wi-Fi problem, device problem, router problem, provider problem. Once you know which bucket it belongs in, fixing it gets a lot easier. If you want to learn more, subscribe for more plain English internet tips. And leave a comment with any internet, Wi-Fi, router, gaming, streaming, or speed test issue you would like me to explain in a future video.